Oliver's last coin. Oliver was a poor boy. One day he looked in his pocket. He had only one coin left. It was his last coin. He felt hungry, very hungry. As he walked home, he saw an old woman sitting on a bench. She looked cold and sad. In front of her was a small sign, "I have not eaten today." Oliver stopped. He looked at his coin, then at the woman. Slowly, he put the coin into her hand. "Please buy some food," he said. The woman smiled. "Thank you, young man," she whispered. Oliver walked away. His stomach was still empty, but his heart felt full. The next morning, someone knocked on his door. It was the old woman. She was the owner of a bakery in the next town. She had been testing people's kindness. She gave Oliver a small job after school. Oliver worked hard. Years later, he owned the bakery. Above the door, he placed a gold coin and a message. The smallest gift can open the biggest door.